This is Akashvani, the news read by Valsa Williams. Results have started to come out for the 70 seats of Delhi NCT Assembly election, for which counting of votes is underway at 19 centres. BJP and Aam Aadmi Party have won 2 seats each. In other seats, BJP is leading on 45 seats, while AAP is leading in 21 seats. In Shalimar Bagh constituency, Rekha Gupta of BJP has won, while another party candidate, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, won in Rajouri Garden. In Delhi NCT, Virendra Singh Kadian of Aam Aadmi Party has won by over 2,000 votes in Delhi Cant constituency. Kuldeep Kumar of AAP has taken the Kondli seat. In by-election for Milkipur Assembly constituency in Uttar Pradesh, BJP's Chandrabhanu Paswan is leading by over 40,000 votes. Counting of votes for by-election in Erode East Assembly constituency in Tamil Nadu is in progress. Chandrakumar VC of Dravida Munnetra Karagam is leading by over 29,000 votes. AAP Chief Arvind Kejriwal and Congress's Sandeep Dikshit are trailing in New Delhi constituency to their nearest BJP candidate, Parvesh Sahib Singh. Other prominent AAP leaders who are trailing include former Deputy CM Manish Sisodia, Somnath Bharti, Saurabh Bharadwaj and Awadh Ojha. In Balimaran constituency, AAP's Imran Hussain has established a lead of nearly 30,000 votes. After all 12 rounds of counting, Jarnail Singh of AAP has taken a lead of over 11,000 votes over his nearest rival Shweta Saini in Tilaknagar constituency. After all the 11 rounds of counting, Tilak Ram Gupta of BJP is leading with over 15,000 votes. After all 14 rounds of counting in Srinagar constituency, his nearest rival was AAP's Preeti Jitendra Tomar. In Kasturba Nagar, Neeraj Basoya of BJP is leading by nearly 10,000 votes after 14th round of 15 rounds. Senior BJP leader and 3-time MLA from Vishwas Nagar, Om Prakash Sharma, is leading in the seat by almost 25,000 votes after 15th of 16 rounds of counting. Senior AAP leader and former Deputy CM Manish Sisodia is trailing behind Tarvinder Singh Marwa of BJP in Jangpura constituency. BJP's Mohan Singh Bisht is leading by over 38,000 votes in Mustafabad constituency. Ajay Mahawar of BJP is maintaining a lead of nearly 19,000 votes in Gonda. AAP leader Gopal Rai is leading in Babarpur constituency by over 17,000 votes to his nearest rival. AAP's Prem Chauhan is maintaining a lead of over 25,000 in Deoli. Ravi Negi of BJP is leading from Patparganj constituency by nearly 22,000 votes. AAP's Awadh Ojha is trailing. Saurabh Bharadwaj of AAP is trailing in Greater Kailash constituency. Somnath Bharti of AAP is trailing in Malviya Nagar. Devendra Yadav of Congress is trailing in Badli constituency. BJP candidate Ravinder Indraj Singh is leading in Bhavana seat by over 14,000 votes. Kulwant Rana of BJP is leading by over 19,000 votes in Rithala. We now go over live to our correspondent Saklen Akhtar for more updates. Saklen, where are you? And tell us the latest update that you have.
Valsa, I'm here at the counting center set up in Government Boys Senior Secondary School in North Delhi's Badli. Votes for Narela, Badli, Bhavana and Rohini seats are being counted here. Here the BJP is leading on all 4 seats. BJP's candidate Vijendra Gupta is leading from Rohini seat by a margin of around 27,000 votes. Delhi Congress President and party candidate from Badli constituency Devendra Yadav is trailing from this seat by around 8,000 votes and is on 3rd position after 9 rounds of counting. Ravinder Indraj Singh of BJP is maintaining a comfortable lead of 17,000 votes from Bhavana. And Raj Karan Khatri of BJP is also leading with 7,000 votes from Narela. Back to you, Valsa.
Right. Thank you, Saklen, for those updates. And with that, we end this news bulletin.